continuation for the second problem. Now third one is solve p square plus 2py cot x is equal to y square, right? This differential equation is given to you. The given that we are writing the given differential equation as it is, you call that equation number 1. We are transporting this y square to the left side, right? Now p square plus 2py cot x minus y square is equal to 0. Now here I am giving a hint. This is a hint for this one. This is a differential equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, no? Right. Which is a quadratic equation in p square, you can say, or also y square also you can say, right? But we are concentrating on this is a differential equation which is in the variable p, right? Okay. Now see here. This equation 2 is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Every quadratic equation has two roots, right? We know that. Now equation 2 is a quadratic equation in p, right? It has two roots. Let the roots be x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a, right? You know this formula. If it is a quadratic equation in x, then the roots are x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Similarly, this is a quadratic equation in p, therefore it has two roots, right? Therefore one root p is equal to minus b plus or minus b is what? 2p cot x or 2y cot x. Here this is a quadratic equation in p, no? That's why I am writing coefficient of p 2y cot x with minus sign plus or minus b square 2y cot square x minus 4ac. 4 a means coefficient of p square is 1 here, right? Into c is minus y square by 2a. We are applying that formula, or else you can factorize, right? That is not an issue. Now see here, d, this is third one, no? Sorry. Now see, p is equal to minus b plus or minus 4y square cot square x plus 4y square. After simplification, we can take 4 as a common element, under root 4. That means it becomes 2. 2y cot x plus 2y square cot square x is plus 1. Y square also we are taking common, under root only. Now this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled, right? Now see here. Now p is equal to minus y cot x plus or minus 2 gets cancelled now. Remaining again y square I am taking as common, under root, that becomes y cosecant square x. Since cot square x plus 1 is cosecant square x, square root of cosecant square x is cosecant x only. P is equal to y common, again we are taking y common here, minus cot x plus or minus cosecant x. It has two roots now. One root is this one, p is equal to y minus y into minus cot x. I am taking plus now cosecant x comma, again p is equal to y into minus cot x minus sine cosecant x. It has two factors now, plus or minus is there. Now we are equating, we are simplifying this one. Cot x is cos x by sin x, cosecant x is 1 by sin x. By taking LCM and simplification, I am getting p is equal to minus y cot x by 2. Similarly, p is equal to y into tan x by 2 by simplification only. Now what is p? Dy by dx. And what is p here? Dy by dx. Now we are going to discuss about this part only. Dy by dx is equal to minus y cot x by 2, variable separable method only. That means we can separate all y terms, all x terms. Dy by y is equal to minus cot x into dx. On integrating, dy by y is log y is equal to integration of cot x by 2 is log sin x by 2, right? Into you will get 1 by 2 is, that is 2. That why I am getting 2 here. 1 by 2, that is 2 here. Plus some integration constant c1 or log c1 you can write. Okay, why you have to write log c1? See, this is very important concept. Here left side is log, right side is also log. That's why you can choose arbitrary constant as c1 or log c1. See, I am choosing this one as log c1. Log y is equal to log c1 minus log 2 log sin x by 2. This is in the form of, if you want you can write, see here, log a minus log b which can be written as log a by b, right? Log a by b, log a minus log b can be written as log a by b. Similarly, log c1 minus this 2 becomes up square, no, log sin x by 2 whole square. That means c1 by sin square x by 2. Both sides we are taking anti-log. Y is equal to c1 by sin square x by 2. Similarly, this one, p is equal to y into tan x by 2. But what is p? Dy by dx, variable separable method. Integration dy by y is equal to integration tan x by 2 into dx. Integration on both sides. Log 1 by y is log y. Integration tan x by 2 is log secant x by 2 whole by 1 by 2. That 1 by 2 becomes here 2 plus log c2. I am choosing integration constant as log c2. Now log 2 log secant x by 2 can be written as log secant square x by 2. Log a plus log b can be written as log a into b. See, log a into b concept I am writing. Now both sides taking anti-log. Y is equal to c2 into secant square x by 2. Now if you transport to the left side, y minus c2 into secant square by 2. If you transport to the left side, y minus c1 by sin square x by 2. Right? Now see, we are transporting, we are getting the solution for the first factor, we are getting the solution for the second factor, but we want the solution of the given equation. Therefore the required general solution is, the required solution is first factor solution into second factor solution is equal to 0. Remember, while writing this one, we have to replace the arbitrary constant c1 and c2 by arbitrary constant c only. See, similarly, second one, solve x square p square plus xyp minus 6y square is equal to 0. We have to write the given data. The given data is x square p square plus xyp minus 6y square is equal to 0. We call that equation number 1. Now, which is a quadratic equation in a p square, remember, right? We have to solve this one for p. Now here we have to factorize this one. See, factorization. Now మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, దిస్ ఇంటూ దిస్ చేస్తాం కదా, కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ అని రాస్తాం కదా జనరల్గా. నా ఆ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఏ ఉండాలి, సమ్ ఆఫ్ దేర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఇది రావాలి. నౌ లైక్ దిస్ వీఆర్ ఫ్యాక్టరైజింగ్ దట్ వన్. దిస్ కెన్ బి రిటన్ యాజ్ a x square p square plus 3xyp minus 2xyp minus 6y square is equal to 0. I am taking xp as a common element. Here x into p plus 3y are getting here. Minus 2y I am taking common here. xp is remaining. This minus becomes plus, no? ఎందుకంటే minus into plus is minus, right? Here 3y. ఎందుకని minus 2y into minus 3y is minus 6y square you are getting. Now again I got two factors. See, రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎలా ఇచ్చాడు, ఈ స్టెప్ నుంచి ఇచ్చాడు, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి మీరు. బట్ ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తాడు, ఈ స్టెప్ ఇచ్చాడు, ఒక స్టెప్ ఫార్వర్డ్ ఇచ్చాడు, ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్, సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ అండ్ సో ఆన్, right? Now we have to equate each factor to 0. This factor is equal to 0, this factor is equal to 0. Again, by variable separable method we are getting the solutions, right? This is the solution of first one. This variable separable method లో సాల్వ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఇట్ ఇస్ ఎ వెరీ ఈజీ కాన్సెప్ట్. Now see, now log y is equal to minus 3 log x plus log c1. I am choosing this arbitrary constant as log c1, remember, ఎందుకని ఇట్లా లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ అని లాగ్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి. Now logarithm function y is equal to log minus 3 log x can be written as log of x to the power of minus 3 plus log c1. Now log a plus log b can be written as log ab. Now c1 into x to the power of minus 3, c1 into x to the power of minus transport చేసాం, y minus c1 to the power of c1 into x to the power of minus 3. ఈ x1 to the x to the power of minus 3 can be written as 1 by x cube, right? No problem. Similarly, log y is equal to 2 log x plus c2. 2 log x can be written as log x square. కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉంది కదా, m log a. m log a can be written as, కావాలంటే ఇక్కడ రాసుకోండి, m log a can be written as log a to the power of m కాన్సెప్ట్ కదా. Now m log a is equal to log a to the power of m. అందుకనే 2 log x can be written as log x square plus log c2. Again log a plus log b can be written as log ab, a into b. అదే రాస్తాం. And taking antilog y is equal to c2 x square. Now y minus c2 x square is equal to 0. This is the solution of the second factor. This is the solution of first factor. The required solution is first factor solution into remember second factor solution. While writing this one, we have to replace all the arbitrary constant by one arbitrary constant, that is c. That is c1 is replaced by c and c2 is replaced by c. Next, third one, here y square into p square plus 2 is equal to 2py square plus x cube, right? ఇది కొంచెం టఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ మనకి, ఎందుకంటే వీ కెనాట్ ఫ్యాక్టరైజ్ దిస్ వన్. సో దట్స్ వై వీఆర్ యాడింగ్ అండ్ సబ్ట్రాక్టింగ్ హియర్ 2x y స్క్వేర్, నెక్స్ట్ 2y y స్క్వేర్ యాడ్ చేయండి, సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. సి యాడింగ్ అండ్ సబ్ట్రాక్టింగ్ x స్క్వేర్ yp, అది రీప్లేస్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో ఈ స్టెప్ ఆల్రెడీ మనం రీప్లేస్ చేసేయండి. నాకు కొంచెం టఫ్ ప్రాబ్లం ఇది, మనం బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద ప్రాబ్లం మనం చేయాలి. బట్ దిస్ టైప్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీరు స్కిప్ చేయండి, లేదంటే ఈ పర్టికులర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి మీరు, రైట్? రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద థింగ్ ఈజ్ సేమ్, ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ అండ్ అదర్ థింగ్స్. ఇక్కడ నేను సొల్యూషన్ రాశాను, ఇది మంచిగా అంటే dy/dx ఉంది కదా మన బెర్నౌలీ ఈక్వేషన్లో, పుట్ y స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు a కాన్సెప్ట్లో వచ్చేసి ఆఫ్టర్ గెటింగ్ ద సొల్యూషన్, ఈ యారో మార్క్ సి ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ స్టెప్ టు హియర్ అండ్ దెర్ ఆర్ సొల్యూషన్, పేజ్ వేస్ట్ చేయడం అనుకని ఇలా రాసాం. ఓకే, అండ్ ద లాస్ట్ వన్, సారీ 9th పేజ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ హియర్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ద 9th పేజ్. ఇది హోంవర్క్ ప్రాబ్లం, ట్రై టు సాల్వ్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లం, రైట్? లేదంటే మళ్ళీ నేను నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోస్లో అదే సాల్వబుల్ ఫర్ x, సాల్వబుల్ ఫర్ y చేసిన తర్వాత ఈ హోంవర్క్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్నీ ఇచ్చేస్తాను ఎట్ ద ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద యూనిట్ 2. ఓకే, ఈ హోంవర్క్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ పేజ్ నెంబర్ కూడా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. సెకండ్ యూనిట్ పేజ్ నెంబర్ 9లో మనం హోంవర్క్ చేసాం, దిస్ ఈజ్ పెండింగ్. ఓకే, ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో మనం వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ సాల్వబుల్ ఫర్ x అండ్ ఆల్సో సాల్వబుల్ ఫర్ y.